How to fix Elden Ring keeps lagging in the PC. So let's get into the steps. So the first step that you have to do is increase the shader cache. For that, open the NVIDIA control panel, then navigate to the 3D settings and click on the manage 3D settings. Now set the shader cache to unlimited. Now this may help you to unlock your frame rate beyond 60 fps and compensate for the stutters. After that, you have to verify your game files. If you are using this Steam, then you have to right click on the Elden Ring in your game library. After that, go to properties, local file and select verify integrity of your game files, and then some users report the improvements after disabling the game's ECND cheat feature, so you have to adjust the in-game graphic settings to a lower level and consider turning off the motion blur and reducing other visual effects. And in the last, you have to close the unnecessary background apps before playing, and you have to use the task manager to identify and close the resource intensive processes. So that's how you can fix the Elden Ring keeps lagging in your PC. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.